Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to create Twitter header images on Snappa. To create Twitter header images on Snappa, here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to snappa.com. Start by logging into your account. Choose the Twitter header preset, which is optimized for Twitter recommended header dimension, which is 1500 by 500 pixels. Snappa provides templates specifically designed for Twitter headers. Browse to the Twitter header section to find one that matches your style or brand. You can also start with a blank canvas if you prefer to design from scratch. Open up a template and you can click on any text area to add or edit text. Include any tagline, business name or message you want featured on a header. Make sure the font is clear and readable. You can use the background tab here to upload an image from your device or choose from Snappa library for its free stock photos. You can also upload it here by going to the Uploads tab and click on Upload an image to upload it from a device. You can add icons or graphics. Go to the Graphics tab to add icons, shapes or illustration to give your header a polished look. Remember that profile picture and other interface elements will overlay parts of your header. Make sure to place key elements towards the center or upper parts of the design, where they won't be obscured. Once satisfied, click Download to save your header image as PNG or JPEG file. Your Twitter header is now ready to upload on your profile. Following these steps will help you create a visually appealing Twitter header in Snappa that enhances your profile's look and feel. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.